All right, this is Soul Sacrifice by Santana from Live at Woodstock. We have this A minor 7 chord. It's going to be used a lot. So you have all the 5s. You have the 7 on the A string. So they'll hit that a couple times. And then they'll get into this hits riff. We're going to go. So that's your A minor 7. C to C. D to C. Back to that A minor 7. So that goes twice. So 2, 3, 4. And again. Now this next one's going to go. Okay, so slower. It's like A minor 7, C, C, D, C, C, A minor 7. Okay, then the little lead starts. We got, that's 2 little 5s here. 8 to 5 pull off in the second. To the 7th fret there. So we got. So that was second string 5 twice. 5 on the G, 7 on the D and back. Here we start with the A bass note here. Kind of a bass note. We got the D string 7 to the 5 on the second string. Another 8 to 5 to 7. And that's the same riff here. 5, 5, 5, 7, 5. Then we're going to go. So that's 5 on the second, and then little 8s. Do it once and then twice. 8 to 5. You can pull that off sometimes if you want. Second part of that goes 2 little 8s. You got the little 5 after the 8s. Maybe a pull off, a little up and down on that 7 to the 5. Okay, so this whole part goes. Do that part again, then. So this one we're going to bar these 5s. 5 to 8 on the second. Little 5, the second string 5. And then 5, 8, 5, hammer on, pull off down there on the first string. Here I went into the 13 of the second string. We're going to use the 12 on the first string with it. So I went middle finger sliding into that 13, and you go to that 12 and back. That was 10 to little 8, back to 10. Do the 13, 12, 13 again, and then. So it's kind of a quick one. We got 9 on the G, 8, 10, 8 on the little one, back to the 10 on the second. Then we got another 7 on the D, 5 on the second, 8 to 5 to 7 again. We got that again. 5, 5, 5, 7, 5. One of those again. One of those again. Then we got. So that's all kind of the same. Okay, so all that was the same. Then we're gonna bend this 15 on the second string. We're gonna do this. I found it easiest to kind of do this 17. You don't have to go back and forth between strings that way. So it's 17 and 13. Okay, so dum da dum da dum da dum da dum dum, and then we're gonna go. We're gonna do 2 17s and then pull off to the 13. And there's 5 sets of that to fill that measure. Okay, then we're gonna have this riff. So that's a quick 11 to 12 on the first string. To open, 10 open, 8 open, 7 open, 5 open. Okay, then we have. So we have 5 and 8 on the first string. Real fast, 7, 8, 7, 5, 7. 2 pull-offs on the second string, 8 to 5. Got a 7 up and down on the G there to the 5. We're gonna have a bend on the 8 on the second string to little 5 twice. Hammer on pull off, 5, 8, 5. To the open, and then we're gonna have. So it's 7, 5, 0, and then 7, 0. Do that twice, and then 5, 7. So it's. And then we have. We're gonna have 5 sets of this double pull off, 8, 7, 5. And then hit 1, 7 right there, and then we're gonna go another set of pull offs, 8, 5 in the second. This is gonna be a triplet. And then we have one more bend. So that was like a 7 and 5 unison bend. 7 is bending on the G with the 5 underneath it. And then hit the 5. And then bend the 7. And then do one more unison. So okay, and then we have like a little chord back to that A minor 7. So let's take a look at this whole lead again. We got okay, then we're into that A minor 7 chord. Okay, so we got bum, 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 bum. So it's like 3 hits and then dun, dun, dun after that. Dun, 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 and then 3 more hits. Bum, 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 bum. So we got those 7s on the D, G, and B to the 5s. Back to our A minor 7. Okay, then we have the big drum break, big drum solo and everything. We're gonna have those hits again from the beginning. We're gonna have you can kind of slide that down if you want. Slower one. Okay, and then there's a solo we're not gonna mess with, great Santana solo. It kind of has this riff towards the end of it we're gonna look at. So it's a pull off, 12 to open, and then 2 more notes on the open there. Same thing for the 10, same for the 8, same for the 7. So we do 4 sets of this, so it's and then there's just a little bit left of that solo. So after that we have a little 5, 8 to 7, 8 on the second to that low 5, so a little bend on that 7 on the G string, 7 on the D to 5 on the G. So we're gonna have, and that's a triplet, so 1 and a 7 bend, 5, 5. Got another one of those G string 7s, pull off, 7 to D and back. Now we have this little melody here. Okay, so it's 10 on the second to little 7, and then 8 on the second to 9 on the G. So 7, 8, 7 to 7 on the G to 9 on the G. And then we have one more 9 to get it started. And again. Okay, then we're gonna have that chord again, and then we're gonna have a vamp. So some of the things you can do with that A minor 7 is you can hit those D and C kind of chords in there. You can also get into a thing. You can have that 8th fret of the 2nd string, and you can kind of have it with the big chord. You can kind of come down here to the 7 on the D string there. And if you bring it down here, you got like a minor 6, minor 7 to minor 6. So those can be fun things to vamp when you got to play a lot of chords. You want to mix it up a bit. Stuff like that, right? Okay, then we're gonna have a riff. Okay, so we have 7 and 9 on the D, and then we're doing triplets. That's 5, 7, 9 on the G, 7, 8, 10 on the B string. So we got. So we have a 10 on the second, 7, 7 into 8, 8 into 10, up to 12. We're gonna tremolo pick that thing. And then we have these hits on this bottom of this A minor chord. 7, 5, 5, 5. We're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 bars. Back to the hits right then. Now here we have an ending part. So we have A minor and then C twice. And then D, 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 C. We're gonna hit on that one, then we're gonna go 1, 2, stop. 1, 2, stop. 1, 2, stop. So there's 3 of those. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then just hold that chord. Okay, so the whole ending thing was like. 4 bars of that, and then. And then slow hits. And then fast hits. You wait a second, drum fill. All right, Soul Sacrifice, Santana. Hope you dig that. 2 pages of tabs. Talk to y'all soon. Peace out.